It all started when she walked into my office that day.
Welcome to my office. Go ahead and take a seat for me. What can I help you with?
My name is Georgina Romano. My Italian lesbian wife died a week ago. The cops are saying it's a stroke, but I really don't believe that. There was glitter coming out of her nose.
Yeah, we've had a series of these all over town. I'll look into this. None of this just seems natural. I mean, blood out of the nose is whatever, but glitter? I mean, there has to be some sort of mystical element that I'm not bringing together here, like some sort of spellcaster or supernatural phenomenon. I'm not sure.
Saying like a wizard? Those aren't real. There must be something normal that can explain all this.
I can't put it all together.
Something just wasn't adding up about this. I needed to get some fresh air. And the locations of the victims. A star, just like the Notebook, and in the center, an abandoned warehouse. It's time to end this.
You're too late, Detective Bird. You leave me no choice.
Who are you? You're not the only one with secrets.